Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Let's begin! So, the ghost touch problem is basically when you barely touch anything and yet the touch actually happens. So, for example, I barely touch thing here, but it actually does swipe. It's a very basic explanation, but you have a feeling like a ghost is touching your phone, or in our case, a tablet. So how can we potentially fix that? Well, usually the reason that the ghost touch problem is even happening in the first place is poor screen protector. Or even better, some sort of moist and debris and just dirt or other things that are stuck between the screen protector and the screen itself. So what you want to do is you want to remove the screen protector entirely and then just clean your screen. So I will just lock my screen and give it a nice little clean. Of course, I don't really have anything hard, no, I only have some basic prints on the screen. But only after you have done that, you can install your screen protector back. However, if you have some poor screen protector, then you still might have some troubles. So make sure that the one that you are installing is a legit one. And lastly, we can head into settings, we can enter our display, scroll all the way down, and here we can see touch sensitivity. And if you have it enabled, this might give you an illusion of ghost touch. So just disable it and now it should be gone. However, if it's not, you can always share the issue down in the comments below and we'll try our best to help you, or maybe someone else in the comments will help you, or we'll just be a nice, loving community that helps each other in the comments. Who knows? But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.